Your headlights are killing your night vision. Not annoying you, not making your car look old. Killing it. Foggy lenses cut how far you can see down a dark road by up to 80%, and your dealer knows. That's why they'll quote you $1,000 for new assemblies you don't actually need. So I tested 15 ways to fix it. Some worked, some were a complete waste of an afternoon, and one of them genuinely shocked me for about 3 days. Let's start with the obvious one. Those $25 restoration kits at every parts store. Sandpaper, compound, a little bottle of UV sealant. The box promises dealership results in 20 minutes. I tried one on a 2015 Civic. Headlights were so yellow they looked like amber turn signals. Honestly, it worked. Big improvement. Took about 40 minutes. Then 3 months passed and the haze came creeping back. By month 6, I was right where I started. Here's the part the box doesn't tell you. The sealant in those kits is weak. Sun eats it alive. You're not fixing your headlights, you're renting clarity for a season. So I went the other direction. Cheap, real cheap. Baking soda paste. Mix it with water, scrub in circles, rinse. Did it improve things? A little. Did it actually restore the headlights? Not even close. Baking soda buffs surface grime. It can't touch deep UV damage. 2 weeks later, foggy again. Then there's the one I want you to never try. Steel wool. I know, some old-school detailers swear by ultrafine steel wool. The thinking is the fibers are gentle enough not to scratch. They scratch. I used the finest grade I could find on an F-150. The yellow came off, but under a flashlight at night, the whole lens was a spiderweb of micro-scratches. They were scattering my low beams instead of throwing them down the road. A buddy of mine runs a shop in Cleveland. One of his guys did this on a Lexus. Customer came back furious. Shop ate $700 replacing both housings. Once you scratch that lens, there's no shortcut back. Now this next one I have to talk about because the internet won't shut up about it. Bug spray, the DEET kind. You spray it on, wipe it off, and the headlight goes from foggy to almost crystal clear in under 2 minutes. It looks like magic. It is not magic. DEET is a solvent. It's eating the lens. The reason it looks clear is the same reason a wet rock looks shiny. You've stripped the protective layer and exposed raw plastic. 2 weeks later, that headlight will be worse than before you started. I've seen people post triumphant videos, then a month later post a cleanup follow-up explaining why they're getting the assembly replaced. Don't fall for the instant clarity. It's a trap. Okay, what actually works? Wet sanding. Real wet sanding. The boring way. You start with 1,000 grit, soak everything, work in passes. Move to 2,000, then 3,000, then a polishing compound. I did this on a Silverado where the lenses looked tinted orange. Watching the yellow literally rinse off the sandpaper was honestly satisfying. The result was incredible, looked basically factory new. But here's the thing nobody mentions. You've just exposed fresh, unprotected plastic. If you walk away now, the sun starts the whole cycle over within 2 months. Sanding without sealing is just a more expensive version of the kit you laughed at earlier. Quick detour through the stuff that doesn't work so you don't waste a Saturday. Coca-Cola. Pour it on, wait, scrub. Internet swears the phosphoric acid eats oxidation. It doesn't. Oxidation isn't dirt, it's the plastic itself breaking down. Acid doesn't fix broken plastic. WD-40. Spray, wipe, instant clarity. Also a lie. WD-40 fills the microscopic pits with oil. Looks great for an afternoon, looks worse than before next week because now dust sticks to it. This, by the way, is the trick used car flippers use the morning before they list a car. If you're shopping used and the headlights look weirdly perfect on a 10-year-old car, run a finger across them. Oily? You've got your answer. Now we're getting into the stuff that actually holds up. Toothpaste, the real white paste, not gel. Gel does nothing. Sounds like a meme. It isn't. White toothpaste has the same kind of mild abrasive that polishing compound has, just weaker. I did a 2012 Focus, 11 minutes of scrubbing, both sides. The improvement was real. The lenses looked dramatically better in the sun. Lasted about 8 weeks. Then I did the same test but followed it with a proper coat of wax. Same headlights stayed clear for 7 months. Toothpaste cleans. Wax is what makes it last. You need both. One without the other is a waste of your time. Now, the one professionals actually use and don't want you to know costs almost nothing. automotive rubbing compound, the same stuff body shops use to correct paint. A bottle is around 13 bucks. Shops will charge you 180 to do 12 minutes of work with it. I did a beat-up 328i, severely oxidized, buffed each side about 9 minutes with a microfiber pad. The lenses came out smooth as glass. Followed up with a quality wax for protection. 3 months later, perfect. 6 months later, still clear. 9 months later, still going. You can do it by hand. A cordless drill with a foam pad makes it faster. That bottle is good for 30+ cars. Do the math on what shops charge. But even compound has a ceiling. If you want optical clarity that genuinely looks better than factory, you need plastic-specific polish. Stuff like Novus or Plastex. It's what they use on aircraft canopies, the windshields on small planes, where you literally cannot have haze. 11 minutes of buffing on a Sentra, the lenses came out cleaner than the day the car rolled off the lot. A year later, they were still holding up. Here's the bottom line nobody selling you a kit will say out loud. The method matters less than the seal. You can use sandpaper, compound, polish, even toothpaste, and if you don't put a real protective layer on after, the sun will undo your work before fall. Wax helps. A proper 2K urethane clear coat sprayed on after sanding lasts years. That's the real secret. Not bug spray, not Coke, not a German mechanic's grandpa. Sand it, polish it, seal it. Walk outside right now and look at your headlights. If they're yellow, you've got a free Saturday and $20 worth of supplies between you and seeing the road properly again. Don't pay $1,000 for new housings, and don't fall for the viral nonsense either.